Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and I am Prabhakar Acharya, and here I am going to discuss you unseen poetry passage which is the part of Sashta Vibhaga of entire Sanskrit of 10th standard. So once again see the slokas and sloka based question answers. So once again I suggest you read carefully slokas and write the answers. Find out the answers from the slokas. So it is a person one means one Padyansa Paritva Nirdishte Kriti Kuruta means read the slokas and write the answers. So sloka is Dakshine Lakshmano Yasya Vame tu Janakatmaja Purto Marutir Yasya Tam Vande Raghunandanam. So this is the sloka Dakshine Lakshmano Yasya. So in whose right side there is Lakshman and left side there is Janakatmaja means Sita, Purto Maruti Yasya, and in front of whom Hanuman is there. Tam Vande Raghunandan. So I bow down to that Raghunandan, Lord Ram. So this is the slokas, and the question is very first question is Purna Vakyen Uttarata, that is Dvitah Ekam means one out of two, and it is of 1 mark. So the question is Maruti Kasya Purutah Tishtati, किसके सामने मारुति है. So I show you answer कैसे लिखना है. First write down Uttaram, okay, Uttaram, put the dash and then write down answer. ये copy करो. Same all most words you have in this question, you copy that question and replace question word with the answer one. Kasya, so here is yes Raghunandanasya. So my answer will be Raghunandanasya. Kasya को replace कर दो Raghunandanasya. Kasya. So Raghunandanasya is the answer word. Tishtati. Maruti Raghunandanasya Purutah Tishtati is the answer. Underline करो इसको. Then the second one is Uttarata once again. Second question, anyone you have to write, but I suggest write both the answers. So एक मिस्टेक हुआ तो करेक्ट वन कंसीडर हो जाएगा. तो सही सीता इत्यर्थे का शब्द प्रथम श्लोक में प्रयुक्त. सीता के लिए कौन सा अर्थ यहाँ पे सिनोनिम वर्ड यहाँ पे इस श्लोका में यूज किया गया है. सो हियर यू कैन सी द वर्ड दैट हैज बीन यूज हियर, that is used here is जनकात्मजा. सीता के अर्थ में जनकात्मजा शब्द प्रयोग किया गया है. सो सीता इत्यर्थे जनकात्मजा शब्द प्रथम श्लोके प्रयुक्त. ये इसका आंसर है. नाउ कम टू समानार्थक शब्द हम लिखता हूं. वंदे, वंदे मीन्स बाउडन और सैल्यूटेशन के लिए क्या शब्द प्रयोग किया गया और विच वर्ड. तम वंदे इज इट इज ऑलरेडी given. So I will write here Namami. Me will be Samanarthi Shabd of Vande. This is the verb. So this is first sloka based question. Now second sloka based, that is Vadyansam Paditva Jal Rekha Chitram Puriyata, and it will be of 2 marks. This question will be of 2 marks. So read carefully slokas, break the sandesh and then find out the answers. The sloka is वृथा वृष्टि समुद्रेषु वृथा तृप्तस्य भोजनम वृथा दानम समर्थस्य वृथा दीपो दिवापि च. Once again see वृथा वृष्टि समुद्रेषु वृथा तृप्तस्य भोजनम वृथा दानम समर्थस्य वृथा दीपो दिवापि च. So here is samudreshu वृष्टि वृथा means raining in ocean is vain, fruitless. Vrutha triptasya bhojana, giving food to, providing food to contented person, satisfied hunger who is not hungry is also worthless. Vrutha danam samarthasya, donating to the person samarthasya who is the rich. If you are donating them, if you are doing charity to that person is also worthless. And similarly, igniting or enlighting the lamp during the daytime is also worthless, in vain. So यहाँ पे पूछा है वृथा चत्वारि. So दीप प्रज्वालनम. So दीप प्रज्वालनम kada. So deep prajwalanam divapi. Here answer will be, so the answer will be deep prajwalanam diva. Diva shabd will come here. इसको अंडरलाइन करो आप. So this is the very first blank place answer. Then samarthai kritam, samarthai kritam, that is danam, will be the second word. Samarthai kritam danam is also worthless. You have to underline this word. Then samudreshu vrishtihi, samudreshu vrishtihi, that is also worthless, toothless. And last, triptaya dattam bhojanam, triptaya dattam bhojanam is also worthless. So ये आंसर है. And in this way you have to write answer. You have to draw the diagram in the same way. और underline करो उस word को. सारे word answer लिखने के बाद उसको underline करना मत भूलो आप. So these are the answers. I hope you understood. You got the answers. And very soon I'm going to discuss. I'm going to show you next unseen passage based questions. So keep on watching and do revision practice.